At-Risk is a Monte Carlo simulation add-in to Microsoft Excel that benefits anyone who faces uncertainty in their quantitative analyses. By producing a realistic picture of all possible scenarios, businesses can protect against risk and identify and exploit opportunities for growth. Monte Carlo simulation performs risk analysis by substituting single-point estimates of uncertain inputs with ranges of possibilities. These distributions are randomly sampled many times, from thousands to millions of iterations, and the model recalculated to create large sets of potential future data which can then be analysed. Define uncertain variables with probability distributions from the palette, selecting parameters and truncations, names, and static values where appropriate. Then click OK. Distributions can also be fitted to historical data in a few easy steps. Select the data, select Fit, choose all distributions, or shortlist them, and include the desired boundary conditions. Click OK and let At-Risk do the rest. Distributions are ranked using any of several fitting criteria and can be compared visually with overlays before selecting the best distribution. At-Risk Industrial gives you access to time series models, which can be defined directly or fitted to historical data. Choose the models you wish to fit and any transformations required. Then choose the best fitting time series to use in your model. Inputs can easily be correlated using At-Risk. Simply select the distributions and create your matrix. Coefficients can be entered here in the Define Correlation window or directly on the spreadsheet. See the joint distribution as an indicative scatterplot prior to running a simulation. Copulas can also be defined or fit to historical data for sophisticated dependency modelling. When your model is ready to run, choose the number of iterations and live viewing options. Then click Simulate. Multiple CPUs can be used to run large models quickly. Gain insight into what could happen, how likely it is, and what you can do to improve it. Output charts show key results, such as the probability of negative profit or the P90 of the cost. Cumulative curves are also available. And multiple outputs can be displayed simultaneously. Enhance your charts by editing the curves and axes, and displaying the most relevant information. These can be shared in numerous ways with clients, whether or not they own At-Risk. Many results can also be directly and easily obtained in a standardized manner using At-Risk's built-in reporting feature. One example is the Compact Report, which is customizable to select only the outputs you're interested in, the format of the distribution curve, as well as the tornado chart type. This report also highlights many key features of an output, both statistically and graphically. When ready, send the report to your destination of choice. Key inputs can be analysed in several ways, using classic statistical techniques such as regression and correlation coefficients, the contribution to variance, as well as empirical comparisons on the influence on key statistics, such as the mean or a key percentile. At-Risk Industrial also gives you access to Optimize, a powerful tool that performs decision-making under uncertainty, providing the best policy for your organisation in any situation by combining optimization algorithms and simulation techniques. One classic example is the product mix problem, where limited resources need to be allocated across multiple product lines to maximize your returns. Due to uncertainty in the unit costs, each decision has a range of possible outcomes. In the model definition, you can choose to maximize expected returns, minimize your risk, or optimize several other criteria. Constraints, both physical and business decisions, can be included in your model. Efficient frontier analysis is also available. Watch your outcomes improve in real time as at-risk optimizes your decisions. For more information and to get your free trial, visit palisade.com.